While technology is certainly jaw-dropping, what is particularly interesting is how Barcelona managed to reinvent itself over the past 30 years. Known as a textile manufacturing and commerce hub, which faced severe economic stagnation and unemployment in the 1980s, Barcelona has managed to use technology to advance so quickly and put itself ahead of smart city neighbors. Barcelona emerged as the mobile world capital after beating 29 other cities from 2012 till 2018. This is because of its commitment to extending the research mobility nationally as well as locally, transportation and tourism infrastructure, and exhibition. Barcelona has been called Europe's smartest city due to its implementation of some innovative technologies that we'll be mentioning below. IoT is regarded as the key to building smart cities, and Barcelona is one of the major cities that has been utilizing innovative technologies to change the daily lives of its citizens. Barcelona has understood the huge potential of the IoT and started implementing smart city solutions from the year 2012. The city deployed responsive technologies across various urban systems which include waste disposal, noise sensors, street lights, irrigation system, and Fab Lab. Fortune magazine recently gave Barcelona the title of the most wise city in the world based on these five features: citywide Wi-Fi, connected citizens, exciting technological events, IoT innovation, innovative environment. What is the best thing about the smart city Barcelona? Perhaps not the sleek technology, but that they are experimenting with a system that lets users adopt data and define the city according to their specific needs. Everything Barcelona developed is open source, and all the codes are posted online. What do you think of Africa fitting into this concept? Do you think there's a chance of Africa's cities adopting innovative technology to enhance its smartness? What do you think can be done to help its citizens stay smart in a smart environment? Feel free to drop your ideas in the comment section below. Do like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be aware when our next video is coming up. Because we're going to be discussing the differences between machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Let's give tech a spot and let us build Africa together with knowledge. See you next time on our next video.